Hello everyone, welcome to this advanced GS tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to calculate Terrain Dissection Index from DEM in ArcGIS Pro. Terrain Dissection Index or TDI measures the degree of dissection of a land surface. It shows how intensely the terrain has been cut by rivers and streams. Low TDI value means smooth, less dissection terrain, and the high TDI values indicate highly dissected rugged terrain with deep values. For this analysis, you only need one dataset, a digital elevation model. I am using a 30-meter dam. Make sure your dam is in projected coordinate systems. The very first step we have to do to fill the dam. This will remove artificial sinks. In the next step, we have to calculate the relative relief. For this, we have to find the focal maximum and focal minimum. Just follow the following steps to calculate the focal maximum and focal minimum. Now we have to calculate the local relief. For this, go to the raster calculator and just follow the following formula: focal maximum minus focal minimum. The output give us the local relief. In the very next step, you have to calculate the relative relief ratio. For this, again, go to the raster calculator and put up the following formula: local relief divided by the focal maximum multiplied by the 100. This will give us the TDI, that is Terrain Dissection Index. Let's now interpret our final Terrain Dissection Index map. As we can see, the TDI values in my study area ranges from 1 to 48. Areas shown in yellow represent the low dissection values. These are relatively flat and smooth terrains, while the areas in the orange show moderate dissection. Areas in red indicate the high dissection. These zones are highly cut by the streams and valleys. This information is very useful for understanding erosion risk, soil stability, and landform development in the region. Thank you very much.